Whew, good morning, day 32. And those of you that watched yesterday's video know that I missed my workout yesterday. So that's the second time I've missed working out since November 7th. I've worked out every day. But yesterday I had to go rescue the Badger mobile on the Skyway Bridge with a flat tire. If you want to know all about that, watch yesterday's video, number 31. Anyway, today everybody's home, everybody's safe, so it's project day. I know Angie's got a desk project, I've got a sprinkler project, all kinds of projects. So let's see what kind of trouble we can get into today. But first off, I earned my coffee, so I'm gonna go have some coffee. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so Momma Badger's making me hang up my balls, my helmet holder that Grandma and Grandpa made for me. So let's get that up on the wall so Mama will be happy. All right, it's up and holding helmets. There is my Badger helmet holder. Granny Ma Badger made me. Kind of cool. Got some hooks here I can hang some stuff from. But there it is, installed. Only took like a year for me to install that. Let's go see what Momma Badger's doing. Oh, Momma Badger, what you doing? What's she doing? You hanging shit?
Hanging shit.
Momma Badger's hanging shit. See if we can help her and then I'll show you what we're hanging. A long way up there. How freaking cool is that?
Trying to get it to balance. There you go. It wants to tilt. I might just leave it tilted.
Okay. Can I show you guys what Mama made?
No.
Look at what Mama made. So she made like a collage of all this cool stuff. We got a book up at Harley Davidson Museum, so we took some pictures out of it we thought were cool. Got the world record poker on.
Well, they're actually Willie G's
drawings,
his little sketches and stuff that he did. And so we picked out a few of those and we put it on there to show off. Or we could have paid hundreds of dollars to just buy one of his sketches.
Right.
Instead, I bought a book with a bunch of them in there and we tore them out. And I tore them and I inked them and I wrinkled them up and I Mod Podged them. We took old magazines and so we have like sections. So here's Route 66. So we'll add to this with Route 66 stuff. Then we went on the High Seas Rally cruise, as you guys know. And then we've got like our old stickers, and these were our first patches we had done up before we got a bunch of them made. Pins from, you know, the Hog Chapter Museum. These were the tickets, and that was the museum itself, and a pin that we got from there. More of one of our stickers we done. Every year we do a new sticker, if you guys didn't know that.
One of our challenge coins.
Yep, challenge going to the World Record Poker Run. Of course, the flyer that we had for that, and then Sturgis, and then of course in 2021 we ended the World Record Poker Run in Sturgis at the Buffalo Chip, but then we also supported by doing their Legends Ride luncheon. So yeah, this is just us that we can add to.
It's just memories, right?
Yeah.
These are things that we've acquired or that have touched us along our trips, and we thought meant something. So we put it on this board, and Momma Badger put it all together. This week.
My other project is, we've got to buy pins, but you guys can stay tuned for that, was we bought a map and stuck it on here, and we're going to pin all the
Everywhere we've
places
been, right?
that we've been. So stay tuned for that. Getting that done, I don't know when. I'm getting closer.
Remember me saying it was project week. So you saw I got the helmet holder up. You saw Momma Badger's thing she's made, and we have it hanging. And we've also got that map. So one thing at a time.
To do, that just have been putting off to do. And
tomorrow she's going to paint her desk because it's black and, I mean, it's brown, and she doesn't like brown.
I hate brown.
She hates brown. So we're going to paint it black tomorrow. And then I'll probably start working on my chandelier tomorrow.
Which, fun fact about that desk, was actually a desk in a conference room at an attorney's office that I used to work at.
Right, and they got rid of it, and we've hauled that. It is heavy. It is huge and heavy, and we've hauled it all over the country.
It has been awesome.
Thanks, honey.
Hey, I'm representing Mr. McStash today.
There's our shout out for the day. Our shout out today is Mr. McStash. He's on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Go check him out.
Bye, guys.
All right, we're headed to the Twisted Fork. So it hasn't officially started yet, but this is what they come to do every week. That dance floor will be full here in an hour. Everybody just dancing away. I'll be headed home. All right, so our Nebraskans are here.
Say hi, everybody. Say names.
What up?
We got Brandy
Andrew. Todd.
from Nebraska.
The hell of a lot down here. They're digging Florida.
What do you got?
Alright guys, this is a late night for me.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, what time is
Let's
it?
finish the last one right here.
I don't know, 8 o'clock maybe?
I gotta find out. No, it's 7:45 and it's late for him.
But I still gotta go back and edit this video you guys are gonna be watching right now.
Are you bailing on this?
I'm getting ready to bail.
Alright.
But anyway, I wanted you here to sign off, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
You have a formal invitation to come line dance with me Thursday night.
Yes you do. Go line dance with her Thursday night.
So much fun.
So much fun.
We're going to do 60.
Finally home.